Where is the headquarters of Reserve Bank of India? Mumbai. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? Annie Besant. How many high courts are there in India? 25 high courts. Which constitutional amendment is called mini-constitution? 42nd Amendment. Who built the great stupa at Sanchi? Emperor Ashoka. Which rivers form world's largest delta? The Ganges-Brahmaputra Delta. Which color is scattered most? Violet. Which instrument is used to measure the amount of water in milk? Lactometer. What is the normal temperature of human body? 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, or 37 degrees Celsius. Nasik is situated on the banks of which river? Godavari. Who is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Bachendri Pal. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which state of India is the largest producer of rubber? Kerala. Where is the Sabarmati Ashram established by Mahatma Gandhi? Ahmedabad. Who is the Indian who took all 10 wickets in an innings of Test matches? Anil Kumble. Who is the founder of Scout and Guide? Robert Baden-Powell. Which game is associated with the Ranji Trophy? Cricket. Who was the first Indian to receive the Magsaysay Award? Acharya Vinoba Bhave. When is National Voters' Day is celebrated? The 25th of January. Where is Bhabha Atomic Research Center located? Mumbai. In which state Bandipur National Park is situated? Karnataka. Who introduced smallpox vaccine? Edward Jenner. Which is the smallest bird in the world? Bee hummingbird. Who was the first Law Minister of India? B. R. Ambedkar.